Guys, let's do some unboxing. These are my kitchen equipment, things that I need in this kitchen. Because why not? So, the packing, storing gari. Eventually, we are going to unbox everything. Nothing was this thing. Hey! Guys, this guy is supposed to be happy. Yeah. I'm using it to be sewing like 1, 2. Yeah, let's take that side. This is just a storage. Yeah, it's so good. 5 sets. Let's take it aside. Glass. You can use it for. I have one glass cup, but this side is bigger. That's why I like it. Check. I don't want to read. So you put this thing. Don't break, oh. Don't dare. Dada, come and correct it, Dada. A pancake frying pan. Rip it off like your. This thing. Let us. The next thing is this thing around it. I'll show you guys on the chicken if you like. I think this is actually the perfect place. Ginger to put in. Oh, let me just buy it. It's not like I'm expert. Don't place pots on top. Because when you open it, the rice will come. Aesthetic. Wash dryer. So, it has got my free, so we are going to do the unboxing today. These are not as bad. This is for eyes, I think. And this also a lot. My kitchen is like coming together. Thank you guys for watching and thank you guys for making it this far with me. I love you guys.